Hi there, in this video you're going to learn how to find discount and the selling price after a discount has been taken off. Okay, so some vocabulary that you need to know. Selling price is the amount that a customer pays for an item after discounts or markups, and a discount is the amount taken off of the original price. So let's look at our first method of finding the selling price. Okay, the first method of finding the selling price would be to find our discount and to subtract. Okay, so Summer Sports is having a sale. A volleyball has an original price of $59. It is on sale for 65% off the original price. Find the sale price of the volleyball. All right, so this is one way that we can do it. We're going to start off finding 65% of $59, okay? If we find 65% of $59, that'll represent the discount. So we're going to move the decimal over 2 places to the left, where you change the percent to a decimal, right? You can do 65 divided by 100, however you do it. And you should end up getting 0.65 times 59. Right? If we remember, part equals percent as a decimal times your whole. So 0.65 times 59 to get 38.35. Okay, so that means that your discount is $38.35. So all we did was we found 65% of $59 and we got $38.35. Next, we would subtract our discount. So this is our discount from the original price. Okay, so we're going to take $59 minus $38.35 and we get $20.65. So our selling price for this problem would be $20.65. Here is another example using that same first method. In this case, the item is 60% off of $250. So first thing we want to do is find 60% of 250. So we would do 0.60 times 250 to get 150. Okay, so your discount would then be $150. And now you would subtract your discount from your original price. So 250 minus 150 gets you 100. So your selling price for this item ends up being $100. Looking at method 2. So now I'm going back to question 1 again. Okay, the same summer sports question. But I'm using a different method. Okay, this method would require less work for you to do on your end. Okay, if method 1 works for you, that's fine. But otherwise, use method 2 because that'll work as well. So let's just recap. The volleyball has an original price of $59. We're taking 65% off of $59. Okay. Now, this is some important information that I want you to look at. Pay attention right here. $59 represents 100% of the cost, okay? So 100% of the cost is $59. If the item is discounted by 65%, okay, you only end up paying for 35% of the cost, right? So $59 is 100% of the cost, and the item is discounted 65%. You only end up paying 35% of the cost. So you can actually just find 35% of $59. And by doing that, you do 0.35 times 59 to get $20.65, okay? So your selling price is $20.65. So in this case, it's like you're almost skipping a step. Let's look at our next example. Find a selling price if you have 8% off of $300. Okay, we're going to use the second method in this example as well. So if the original price is $300, that represents 100%, okay, and the item is 8% off, we are paying for 92% of the cost. If we're paying for 92% of the cost, we can find 92% of 300, okay, which we would have to do 0.92 times 300. All right, just some concluding thoughts. Just make sure that you are paying attention to whether or not you have to find the discount or the selling price. In this case, the selling price here is $276. Okay, in this count, the selling price is $20.65. In this case, right, the discount is $38.35, and the selling price is $20.65. So just make sure that you are able to differentiate between the discount and your selling price. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned how to find discounts.